Hello, good afternoon, friends. Today I am going to discuss the usage of the letter C, how we pronounce the letter C. First of all, we must remember that there are 4 types of pronunciations for the letter C. That's why while teaching the phonetic symbols, we used to say for is sound and all, you put only S symbol. Because so in some places the spelling will be C, in some places the spelling will be S, but for that sound is sound you have to put the symbol S only. But the C plays different roles in different places. That's why the letter C, how to pronounce the letter C, it has 4 pronunciations that you have to remember. See, this letter has 4 pronunciations. Is one pronunciation. I have written in Tamil also. Then ik, the K symbol. That is meant for ik sound. K symbol. Then ish. You have to put that ish, that long S, that symbol. Then ich. It's very rare. Of course, that each sound is used only for the words borrowed from Italian words, language. So there are 4 types of pronunciations. Before vowel sounds, C is pronounced as is, sound. Example, specific. In specific, SPECI, FIC, there that CI, it comes, specific, SPECI, FIC. So when it is coming before that vowel sound, E sound, that is specific, CI. So in that place, it gets a sound is. So before vowel sounds, C is pronounced as S, like S. That S symbol only we have to put. Example, you can see the examples. The first word is specific. So I have transcribed specific. So that S symbol. Then cell. See CEL, cell. Here, what symbol is here? S. S. Like S we put, that is symbol. Then EAL. Then next word is cycle. Though the spelling is Y, though Y is not considered to be the vowel letter, we pronounce it only as I, vowel sound, diphthong sound is coming. So there also we put only cycle. Okay. There are some suffixes like CIAL. Normally we will say shall, special, we say, like that. And CIAL, then CIOUS, then CIATE, shiate, then CIENT, scient. Like that, we'll feel like pronouncing like that. Scient, like that we'll say. Sheol will say. Shears will say. Shiate will say. But when we pronounce it as a word, we have to pronounce it like this only. Social. See, so here normally we have the tendency of pronouncing it as social, but it is actually social. Social. That is lightly pronounced. Then vicious we'll say. Normally we have the tendency of pronouncing this word as vicious. He is very vicious, cunning people, like we say, no. But actually the pronunciation is vicious. It is only vicious. So that sheer when it acts as a suffix, see, it gets the sound ish, vicious. Similarly, ancient. It's not ancient. Though the suffix sounds like ancient, we have to pronounce it only as ancient. Then one word I change the order. Appreciate. So here we pronounce it as appreciate. Here that C gets the sound of ish. In most situations, C is used as or pronounced as ik. Very simple. You may think what this lady is telling or teaching us CAT cat, but here we are bothered about the difference in pronunciations. Words. Everybody knows CAT cat, but how to pronounce it? That the letter starts with C. So in some places it gets the sound S, this sound. Here it gets the ik sound. So cat. Similarly, critic. Here also. It gets the sound ik, critic. End also C only, ik, critic. We put the K symbol. Then cabaret. Normally we will have the tendency of pronouncing it as cabaret. Cabaret. Would have heard about the cabaret dance. So cabaret. Here also it gets the sound ik. Then cabbage. The vegetable, cabbage. Many of us have the tendency of pronouncing it as cabbage. Because spelling is like that. So you have to pronounce it as cabbage. So starting letter is C and we put the symbol ik, k. This is very rare, that each sound. Normally, simply just the letter C alone will never get the sound, acquire the sound ich. Normally, when we put that H also along with C only, chair and all, we pronounce it as ich. But for some words which have been borrowed from the Italian language, this simple C itself, so that's very simple, without any combination, just in a single way. I mean, that a single C alone gets a sound ich only for certain Italian words. So in some words borrowed from Italian, C is realized as ich. Okay. So cello is pronounced as cello. Similarly, this word cinquecento. Normally we'll feel like pronouncing it as cinquecento because CI only it is there. Here also this C only is there. So we will feel like pronouncing it as cinquecento. But Chinkacento. Just Chinkacento. Itch. That C gets the sound itch. So, okay, friends, I think you have got a very clear idea of this pronunciation of this letter C. It gets different sounds in different words. That's what I explained today. Like that for every alphabet. And C is not over. Again, I have to discuss CC. When CC comes, how the spelling, how the sound changes. When CH comes, how the in that combination, how the sound changes. So everything I'll discuss in the next class. Thank you very much for your kind watching. Bye-bye.